How to adjust image opacity in Figma. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust image opacity in Figma. In order to do so, first of all, open your Figma application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now from here, find the design where you would like to adjust the opacity of your image. Simply double click on your design in order to open it. Once you do so, now you will be taken to this editing space. Here, wait until the interface loads, and once it loads, you will land on this home page. Now here, you will need to locate the image to which you would like to adjust the opacity. Once you locate the image, simply double click on it, and then at the right side, you will be able to see this menu. From here, make sure this fill option is selected. If any other apart from fill is selected, then simply click on it and then select the fill option. Now after doing that, at the right panel here, locate the appearance section. Under it, you will be able to see the opacity. Now you will need to hover your cursor over this little square ahead of the number. Now you can click and drag it to the left side in order to reduce it. If you'd like to increase it, you can go to the right side, and if you'd like to decrease it, you can go to the left side. Also, if you'd like to manually enter the number, then you can simply click on it and then enter the desired number and then press on enter. By doing so, you'll be able to adjust the opacity of your image based on your preference. The changes will be applied immediately after this. So by following these steps, you should be able to adjust the opacity of your image in Figma. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.